Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Sheikh Mohammed. You're watching Mohammed Malik channel, and today I'm going to discuss about Udemy courses, guys. Today is 15th July. Let's open this one. Uh, Deep Web, the complete introduction to hidden web, guys. This is about ethical hacking, I think so. And the author is Asin Macro. And I'm going to show you how to enroll and complete this course. Just if you want to start the course, enroll this one. Click on enroll and start the course, guys. And after completion of all these course of 2.5 total hours and 18 hours of lecture, you are going to get a certificate here. Okay, click on this and download the certificate. If you want to add to favorite this one. And if you want to know the overview of this course, just go to the description. And the instructor is Yasin Macron, as I mentioned earlier. This is about time supplies. I'm going to link it below in description. If Adobe Lightroom for beginners, complete photo or image editing. Okay, the author is Creative Online School, and this is about Deep Web. This is about Photoshop CC, guys. 20 common productive and design mistakes. This is about designing. The author is Scott Patton, Nathan Singer. He is about 150 courses. I had seen 149 of his courses, but now he just added 150th course. I don't know what it is. And Scott Alex, these two are old people, but they're gonna teach very good with essential productivity, guys. Just go through this. This is about VLSI physical design, 33 hours of video. So beginners are welcome. And these were 9 modules of this, but there is only 6. Alright. And the author is Jada E. Amazon Mastery: How to Become an Amazon Best-Selling Author. This is about FBA, guys. Okay, to sell products in Amazon. Here also the same author, Scott Patton, and the Scott Alex. Only Ricky Shetty is added. Okay. Beginner English, practical foundational English training. These are all the same author, guys, and she's added Stephanie Hamilton, okay, English teacher. Data science and business analytics course. Okay, data analysis and statistics, practical course for beginners. This is about data science and statistics, guys. Those who are in MBA students mostly. Yeah. University data analysis and statistics background who likes to teach. Okay, anyone can just some time and willingness to learn. What's the basic thing is about MBA students, I think so. Yeah, MBA students, guys. Crash course for Laravel 7 and Jules Bootcamp. Okay, the complete gRPC course, Proto, Buff plus Goldman and plus Java. The complete Google Drive course. This is about Google Drive, guys. And TJ Walker, I had enrolled many of these courses, and he's a motivation speaker, guys, and best-selling author, guys. I think so. He's a best-selling author, which I can introduce to you guys. And these two are young people, I think so. Yeah, he's the best author, guys. Just enroll this one, okay? The complete Google Drive course, Master Google. I'm gonna enroll this. How to earn passive income as a fashion entrepreneur. Sandra Matthew, a fashion entrepreneur consultant. Okay, she had some courses. It's about 39 1 hour of course, guys. Just go through this. Business analysis, classification, and collaboration. IABA. These about business MBA students, guys. Just go through this management trainer. Okay, these are about MBA students. Business analysis, competence, personal skills. This is also MBA students, guys, and the same author. Business analysis, competence, professional efficiency, and the same author. And this is a complete row of courses, guys. Just go through this. Okay, different courses. Okay, keep your project on budget. PMP. Okay, this is about project management, guys. The requirement is you must have at least 3 to 4 years of experience uh, in your field, guys. In whatever field, maybe it may be MBA, civil, or rocket science. Also, you need experience. After that, you're gonna be a PM of that. For those students, you can enroll, not the students, but professors or masters in that. You can enroll this course and learn, guys. I'm not a master, but it might be useful for me after 4 years, guys. Develop and management resources, PMP, PM. Okay, here also the same author. This is about management. And that's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a complete series of management, development management, guys, from this author, Sorin Dumitraskos, management trainer. Just go through these courses, guys. I think so there is a sequence of courses. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like, subscribe my channel. This is Shikmo signing off. Bye bye.